Geysers are a reasonably rare phenomena. They're only found in a few pockets around the world, and this is one of those areas. In fact, here in New Zealand, 100 years ago, we had over 130 active geysers. Now, in this day and age, we have 15, and Lady Knox is one of those 15 geysers. This is due to natural reasons and, unfortunately, man's mismanagement. And if you look around us here, you'll see a number of rock formations. One in particular, you're going to see a dead tree growing from the rocks over there. That's pretty much how Lady Knox looked like before she was discovered by man. In other words, she was more like a hot spring. And how she was discovered is a story in itself. We need to rewind the clock back some 115 years ago, when New Zealand was unfortunate enough to have its very first open prison. That open prison was situated just behind where your cars are parked today. Those prisoners